Hi guys, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a Natural Sciences Matter and Materials Grade 7 question taken from the 2016 June Herzia Middle School exam paper rather. So let's dive straight in. We're going to be answering question 1.9 of that question paper, and it reads: below are the results of a chromatography investigation of different ink pens. Ink X is a mixture of color of pens dash dash dash, which is where we need to figure out which combination makes ink X. Okay, but before we do that, let's just remind ourselves of what chromatography is. Now, this is the technique for separating the components of a mixture. Okay, so what we have to do is figure out, first of all, we see that ink X is made up of two different inks. Okay, 1 and 2 make up ink X. So now we need to figure out which of these four inks make up the color of ink in X. Okay, so what we just need to do is correspond and see where these two dots in ink X, where do they correspond on this other side of the page. So the first one here matches with ink 1, and the second one at the top matches with ink 3. So now we know that our ink X is made up of 1 and 3, and our answer therefore is C. It cannot be any of those other combinations because, for instance, there is no 2 in ink X and there is no 4 in ink X. Okay, so C is our answer, 1 and 3. Alright, now before I go, I'd just like to say a really epic thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them and us in the description below. Head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And if you can't find the answer to your question, send it to us and we'll gladly respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.